Moving freight isn't always sexy and interesting, but when we get a chance to move something that really is cool or that we're really enthused about, it's fun. We've had a lot of projects over the years that were fun and interesting and super weird. I think one of my favorites was probably the Spam Museum. We have a customer that manufactures scenery and props for stores and fixtures, and we were instrumental in transporting the Spam walls for the Spam Museum to Minnesota. That was pretty interesting.
One of my favorite projects or pieces of business was for a large national grocery retailer. They ship 3 million copies of their inserts and coupons every week to 75 stores, 175 newspapers, and it's very time critical. So we're picking up 7 or 8 truckloads on Sunday. We are getting it to our terminal or directly to the newspaper for insertion. The drivers are picking up directly from the manufacturer, bringing it to our warehouse where we have a team in the warehouse waiting to sort it, segregate it, and reload it onto our delivery trucks to make sure everything is in the stores on time.
One of my favorite shipments at Shaker was a rice paddy that we moved down to the World Trade Center Transit Center once. It was sort of a living rice paddy that they set up for this long event that they were doing around sort of the role of rice in the global food economy, which was something really cool to be involved in. We were excited to see pictures of it set up, sort of like, being part of the birth of something. When you see the actual thing you delivered all, put together, and there you go, you helped make it. Those are the exciting shipments.